Hey guys, it's Luana and I'm here to show you the young adults gotta cook. In today's episode, we're gonna be making crab wontons. This recipe is actually from my cousin Yalasia and she loves making them for all our family gatherings. Without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need some vegetable oil, imitation crab, mayo, cream cheese, wonton wrappers, green onions, some sugar, salt, black pepper, and unagi sauce for dipping. This is optional. We only need the green part of the onion, and we're just gonna slice it thinly. In a bowl, you're gonna flake your imitation crab by tearing the pieces gently with your hands. Once you finish, we're going to add the cream cheese and mayo and mix vigorously until combined. Partway through, you're going to want to add the sugar, salt, and black pepper and continue mixing. The last step of this mix is to fold in the green onions. To make the wontons, we're going to need some water. And we're going to place about a tablespoon of the imitation crab mixture into the middle of the wonton wrapper. Dampen the sides and fold into a triangle. Continue this process until all the filling is used. This recipe makes about 30 wontons. Heat a pot of oil and fry these wontons until they're a nice golden brown. And there you have it, crispy crab wontons. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, leave it a big thumbs up, subscribe. And if you love fried foods and haven't checked out my lumpia recipe, I'll leave it in the link right up above. Aloha, and I'll see you next Friday.